The biggest mistake people make when dealing with USAA Insurance is talking to one of their adjusters without an attorney. Let me explain why. If you're in a collision, whether it's an auto accident, a motorcycle accident, or a trucking accident with a USAA person who's insured by them, is they want to talk to you and get as much information, which they are recording, and it's essentially like giving them a free deposition, which you are not doing, and giving them information that maybe you didn't mean to give them. For example, if you're driving on a street and somebody pulls out from a side alley or somewhere else right in front of you, and you have no time except to maybe hit the brakes and you smash into them, you don't, in the big scheme of things, you're trying to justify like, oh, what could have I done differently? How could I have made this less bad? When it's nothing you could have done. It's somebody pulls out from a side street right in front of you, the USAA driver right in front of you, nothing you could have done. But if you talk to the adjuster without an attorney and make it sound like, oh, well, I had some time, I could have done this, or maybe I should have done that, that can make them think, oh, we have a defense in this case where there's just no defense. And then you've created problems for yourself. Or if you're talking to them and you're injured and you're actually under doctor's care, one, they can't talk to you, it's against the law. Two, if you were talking to them, let's say it's a month or two after the collision, and you're talking to them about your injuries, you may answer questions without really thinking about it, because we live in a polite society. I know it doesn't seem like that right now in the world, but we do. And they may ask you right off the bat, oh, how are you doing today, sir? And you say, oh, I'm doing okay. But really, you're not. You have lost wages, you've got medical bills, you're not okay. Their person pulled in front of you and caused the collision. But they will then use that, well, how come he said 2 months after the accident that he was okay? Well, they're just trying to use that against you. So it's best just not to talk to them at all. My name is Scott O'Sullivan. I've been doing this for over 25 years as a personal injury lawyer. I used to also be an insurance defense lawyer before I became a personal injury lawyer. So I've defended cases just like this. I worked for Liberty Mutual and a whole bunch of other big insurance companies defending cases like this. I know what they used to do because I used to do it. And now as a plaintiff's lawyer, I've been doing it for over 25 years. We are successful. Do not talk to an insurance adjuster after a collision until you've called me or somebody else like me.